Hi, Roman Luchuk here on How to Build a House series. So right now we're at our stair company, our stair manufacturer, and also our railing company. So we're going to go in there and see what kind of stairs and railings we're going to get. So come on in. Manufacturer, and I'm with Dan Merrick. Dan Merrick owns Glanbrook Stairs. And Dan, how long have you guys been in business for?
Oh geez, Dad started it back in '72, I believe so.
So these guys know how to make stairs, they know how to do railings. So Dan, I got a house I'm building in Stony Creek, and it's a little bit more contemporary. And I'm just going to show you quickly, and there's an open concept from the upstairs overlooking the great room. So could you kind of show me what's really popular in that contemporary look? Just give me a suggestion on what do you think I should do there.
Okay, I can show you over here with the post. I guess I'll start you off with the post. Most people like square style nowadays. We do these posts in-house, so we can customize it to different widths. If you like a panel, don't like a panel, like fluting posts, or sorry, the skirting at the bottom, we can adjust that as well. The spindles, wrought iron spindles, are what's really taken off nowadays. It's to give a two-tone effect to your stair, so it's not just this big block of wood anymore.
Okay. All right, so it looks good. I kind of like I already kind of got a good idea what I want, but if you don't, then you have to really concentrate and then figure out exactly what you want when you're building a house. Me, I like this post here. It can kind of either go contemporary or a little bit traditional, and it's got a good value and all that. So I think I'm going to go with that post for the house. Okay. And if you want to show me a kind of a contemporary looking handrail, that's cost effective too.
Okay, I've got a number of square ones. That's what a lot of people are tying in with the square post. This particular one here, it's quite a bit heavier than your standard rail. It's got a nice width, but it also tapers in down here.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's a nice look. But I want to go with the just a black wrought iron with the
single knuckles.
Single knuckles. So you want to show me that?
I've got that over here. This particular one here is exactly what you're after, the black single knuckle. I've got the plain that you can alternate it, and you can always add it with a double knuckle and dress it up a little bit more if you like.
Okay, so I think that's probably kind of what I'm looking for. I think I'm going to go with this and this knuckle, and I think I'm going to go with this square, thicker handrail. Okay. All right, and I like the oak stairs, and there's different varieties of oak stairs, so we're just going to go basically with the open tread on the one side. So I'm going to give you the layout or the design, you give me the layout, and then I'll tell you to go ahead with the job.
Sounds good.
Right. Thank you, Dan. Thank you and then we're going to go back, after now, we're going to go back, and it's really interesting. I find it really interesting because they have jigs that they've had and for 30 years that they still used for winding staircases. It's really cool. So let's go take a look and see what it looks like. Alright, so we're in the back of the shop at Glanbrook Stairs, and this is where they fabricate and manufacture all their stairs and railings. And you can see it's quite an industry they got going here, and there's a lot of hand skill and a lot of trade skill back here to make these stairs and railings. All right, so let's go see some stairs that are almost finished. All right, come on. All right, so here in the back here, you can see they got all these jigs set up, and these are all semi-spiral or spiral staircases, and they're all handcrafted, and it's really cool when you walk back here, and they've been doing it the same way for 40 years. And stairs is one thing that you're not going to be able to change. It's all going to be skilled trades. It looks really cool when they do it. Take a little staircase over here, Mike. So they just basically mimic the stair where it's going in, and they basically build it on site, and then from here they just take it and put it in. It's really cool. I love walking in here and smelling the wood and all like that, and I can't wait to see what my stairs look like. All right, great. Okay, so the stair companies just showed up from Glanbrook Stairs. We just put this nice stairs in. They're all oak. They're going up there, there, and there. You can see the open concept. And the stair guys, they've leveled them off. They're all ready to go. So They look great, so we're gonna pick out the railing now.